Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vada. I'm going to discuss the implementation of online shopping system. We can use different UML diagrams to visually represent our system. This is a use case diagram of an online shopping system. It describes the scope of a system and is used to gather the requirements of a system. It includes actors, systems, and use cases. Actors can be primary actors or secondary actors. For example, web customer is a primary actor and identity provider is a secondary actor. And systems are credit card system, PayPal system, cash and delivery system, which are useful in making our payment successful. And these are some use cases like view item, add item to cart, address details, etc., which are used to describe the possible cases involving the functionality of a system. Among use cases, we use extend and include function. Extend is an optional use case function, and include is a must condition which can be used in our system. And use case system is used to describe the interaction between actors and the system. Next is class diagram. Class diagram is used to describe the data modeling. It includes some objects, and it describes what those objects can do. In class diagrams, there are some classes like web user, customer class, payment class, account class, etc. And these classes consist of some attributes or objects like a web user can have a login ID or password, and customer can have ID, name, address, phone, or email, etc. It also describes the relationship between these classes and objects of these classes. Like customer account can have one-to-one relationship. Similarly, web user and shopping cart can have 0 to 1 or 1 to 1 relationship.
My name is Maha and I am going to represent the activity diagram of an online shopping system. An activity diagram is the graphical representation of workflows of step-wise activities and actions. Activity diagrams are used to visualize the functionality of the system at different levels of detail and aid communication between developers and clients. In this diagram, this one is the initial state, which is also known as the starting point. This is the action or the flow. These are the action nodes from one state to another state. This is the decision node. Then we will have the fork and node. This one is the these are the swim lanes. This one is the fork. This one is the join, and the last we will have this ending node. This is a sequence diagram. A sequence diagram shows the sequence of messages passed between objects. It is used to understand the detailed functionality of the current or the future system. Here we have the four components: customer, system, product, and bank. These are called the activation or the execution occurrence. Here, these are the messages which are in which some are asynchronous messages and some are synchronous messages. This one is the self messages. These are called the lifelines. A lifeline are the vertical dashed line that indicate the object presence over the time.
So let's start with the collaboration diagram. A collaboration diagram is typically a interaction type of diagram. So simple definition is collaboration diagram is a illustration of the relationships and the interactions among software objects. And these diagrams can be used to portray the dynamic behavior of a particular use case and define the role of each object. Like if there are different types of objects like online portal, inventory, shopping cart, process order, and the order summary. These all are objects. So getting the different notations associated with the collaboration diagrams, which are objects, actors, link, and message. So simply we say that online portals it is a objects basically, and which link actor a customer through a link. This line is called a link which connects customer to their online portal. Simply अगर हम object की definition देखें, objects are shown as rectangles with naming labels inside, and actors are the instances that invoke the interaction in the diagrams. And links connect object with actors and are depicted using a solid line between the two elements. And the message, with this login, the message between the objects are shown as a labeled arrow placed near a link. So here a login, search, add items, shipping details, item details, configuration orders, payment details, and display order details. These all are messages. And customer to online portal, there is a link line. This is called link. And customer is itself an actor, and online portal is an object. This is called a collaboration diagram, which is also called communication diagram.
My name is Hira. I'm going to explain deployment diagram. Deployment diagram is a UML diagram type that shows the execution architecture of a system, including nodes such as hardware or software execution environments and the middleware connecting them. Deployment diagrams are typically used to visualize the physical hardware and software of a system. Using it, you can understand how system will be physically developed on the hardware. And this is the deployment diagram for online shopping system. It has following elements like this is the node, this is the artifacts, this is the deployment specification. Here it is a component user services, and these all are connected with each other. This is the communication association between two nodes, and this is the TCP IP communication association.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Zainab Malik and I am going to present package and component diagrams. First of all, we'll discuss package diagrams. What is package diagram? In UML, a package diagram is a collection of modeling elements that are grouped together because they're logically related. It includes two symbols. This symbol shows that it is a package and this symbol shows that it shows the dependency of the packages. For example, here we'll see this is a package of course curriculum which includes the data such as course management and course credits. Similarly, the student package which includes students data, student management, and similarly teachers. And here the student and a teacher package depends on the course curriculum package as shown by this dependency symbol. You can see it over here. This is called dependency. Now we'll discuss component diagrams. Component diagrams uses a box with a little plug symbol in the top right corner. For example, I'll show you here. See this. This is the plug which is on the top right corner of in a shape of rectangle, which shows components order system, component customer repository, and component inventory system. Now we will discuss what is this. This symbol is semicircle which shows that it is dependent, and this is represented by the full circle which shows the provider interface. This means that this is dependent, the component order system is dependent on the component customer repository. Thank you.